Okay, this morning we got a 17 Lexus RX350 and it needs a service, oil change. So what we're gonna do, hit this kind of thing that looks like a bunch of different pieces of paper, and we're gonna, after we do that, scroll over to the thing that looks like a gear with these arrows, and then scroll down to vehicle settings, hold the OK button, and then scroll down. There's two of them, oil and maintenance. So we're gonna OK on the oil, up to yes, hit OK, reset. Now we're just gonna go back up and hit this schedule maintenance button, OK. Scroll up for yes, OK. 2017 Lexus RX350, your reset's done.